Hello everyone, I wanted to show one of the new calculators in Civils AI. So this is Section Properties Calculator. So here you can create custom shapes, so you can add rectangles and create any kind of shape that you like, and you can overwrite some of the properties here, set dimensions, and then you can actually overwrite here. And you can position these however you need to and create a kind of custom shape. Then once you've done this, you'll be able to hit analyze up here, and it'll take a moment to calculate, and then it will return area, moment of inertia, radius of gyration, elastic section modulus for your calculations for this kind of custom shape. You can also open up this and you can see here the mesh and how this actually works in terms of calculating and what the back end of the program's seeing. And here you can refine the mesh some more. If you've got a very complex shape, I'd suggest putting this shape complexity on high. It will take longer to run, but then your results will be more accurate.